Hi friends, I am Tyagraj. Once again, welcome to Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, we are going to see how to export Tally transaction or reports in Excel, PDF or JPG or other formats. And one more thing, we are going to see how to define export folder path or location or how to predefine export location. Before getting into the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Let us see practically in Tally Prime application. We are going to export balance sheet report. Once click on balance sheet, in the top menu bar, click on export or Alt E button, click on current or Control P. File format here is showing PDF because previous Tally file we are exported in by selecting PDF format, hence it's showing PDF. If you want to change any other file format, right hand side button bar, click on F8 or file format. In this listed file format, we can select AXI, delimited, Excel, HTML, JPEG, PDF and XML. Here we are selected PDF format, export file path. It is showing by default Tally Prime folder. And if you want to change file location, click on export to or F6 button in the right hand side button bar and specify the folder location, or we can able to browse a local drive folder path. Now we are not going to change any folder path. We are going to export the file into inside the Tally Prime folder. Now we are going to click on send button. Now the file is exported in PDF format and it is saved inside the Tally Prime folder. We can directly open D drive Tally Prime folder or right click on Tally Prime application, open file location. Inside the Tally Prime folder we can able to see exported files. Inside the Tally Prime folder we can able to see exported files details as well as Tally Prime application supporting files and folders. While moving or deleting any exported Tally documents, there is a huge possibility to delete Tally Prime supporting application or folders. So, while exporting any Tally transaction or reports, export it in different folder. Now let us see how to predefine export folder path or location. Click on export option in top menu bar or click on Alt E. In that list of option, click on configuration. In this list of configuration screen, click on location of import of export files. Click on path. Here we can able to change that Tally Prime export file folder. Here I am going to select D drive. Inside the D drive there is a Tally doc folder we are created. That folder I am going to select. Now we are predefined export file location. Now while exporting any transaction or reports, it will be saved in D drive Tally doc folder. Once again we are going to export this file in predefined folder. Exported file saved in D drive Tally doc folder. Exporting Tally transaction or report in different folder, it will be easy to find that exported file and we can move or clear unwanted Tally documents. I hope we have shared some valuable information in this session. You may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more and future updates. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight Knowledge Sharing Session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.